So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we discuss about syllabus for Introduction to Operating System. So, the official syllabus is in week first Introduction, in week 2 Memory Management, in week 3 Processes, in week 4 Interrupts and Context Switching, in week 5 Scheduling, in week 6 Synchronization, in week 7 Deadlocks, and in week 8 Operating System Security. So our analysis of the syllabus in comparison with the weekly assignment. So in week first introduction, we conclude that assignment cover OS functions, resource management, monolithic versus microkernel, user versus kernel space system call, printf, memory organization, protection and security. So this is the week first assignment and all the topics. And the important subtopics is OS role, resource MGMT abstraction security, kernel type and features, system calls, user kernel transition, OS for embedded wireless Contiki OS. So the most important topic of our week first is these four topics. And now let's go to our week second, memory management. In week second, you study about assignments are heavily loaded, paging, segmentation, page table, virtual versus physical memory, CR0, CR3 registers, booting, real tense to protected mode, memory allocation strategies, first fit, best fit, roast fit. And the important subtopic of our week second is paging and segmentation, page table size, frame size calculation, TLB and address translation overhead, memory allocation method, first fit, best fit, roast fit, page table point register CR3, boot process and protection bits. So these are the important topics of our week second. Now let's go to our week third, processes. In week third, you study about these topics like assignment cover fork, init process, zombie orphan process, process states, context switching, trap frame, wait, and Excel. And the important topic of our week third is fork, process creation count and parent child behavior, zombie versus orphan process, init process, PID equal to 1 daemon, process state and transition, new, ready, running, blocked, copy on write, cow, system calls wait, exec. So these are the important topic of our week third. And in week four, you study about interrupts and context switching. In this you have to study about these topics: IDT size, user, kernel stack switching, trap versus fault versus abort, sys underscore uptime, device interrupts, double fault, saving context during switch. And the important topics of our week 4 is interrupt handling, trap frame contents, context switching detail, what gets saved, devices generating interrupt, UART, IDE keyboard, and last is faults versus traps versus aborts. So these are the important topic of our week 4. Now let's go our week 5, scheduling. So in this week, you have to study about these topics: FCFS, SJF, SRTF, round robin, O1 scheduler, turnaround, waiting response time, time slice, starvation, and bonus priority. And the important subtopics of our week 5 is scheduling algorithm and their properties, primitive versus non-primitive, calculation of turnaround, waiting response time, round robin completion time calculation, O of 1 scheduler, base priority, nice value, starvation and bonus handle. Now let's go our week 6 synchronization. So in this week you have to study about atomic versus non-atomic, race conditions, XCHG, test and set, Peterson's bakery algorithm, semaphores, counting and binary, message passing versus shared memory. And the most important topic of our week 6 is race condition and critical section, hardware instruction, XCHG, test and set, classical algorithm, Peterson bakery, counting semaphores problems, value calculations, shared memory versus message passing. Now let's go to our week 7, deadlock. In this week, you have to study about dining philosophers, deadlock prevention, detection, bankers algorithm, safe sequences, resource allocation matrix. And the most important topic of our week 7 is deadlock condition and prevention techniques, dining philosophers, fork requirement, order of picking, bankers algorithm, safe, unsafe state, resource allocation, detection using allocation request matrix, starvation versus deadlock. Now let's go to our week 8 OS security. In week 8, you have to study about buffer overflow, scanf, str copy, send, stack, canaries, ASLR, gadgets, shellcode, access control, DAC, MSC, BAL, La Padula, BIBA, confidentially integrity availability. And the most important topic of our week 8 is buffer overflow prevention, non-access stack as strncpy, canaries, ASLR, CIA trade, confidentiality, integrity, availability, access control, TAC, MAC, ACLS, capabilities list, Bell, La Padula, confidentiality versus BIBA integrity, and last is information flow policies. So these are the syllabus and most important topics of all the weeks. And now let's go to our overall trends, most repeated high weight topics. So let's discuss about high weight topics between all the weeks. So the first topic is memory management from week second. Lots of numerical and conceptual questions like paging, segmentation, TLB, frame size are asked in exam. And the second is processes from week third for zombie orphan state transition. And the third is scheduling from week fifth algorithm properties plus numerical problems, turnaround and waiting. And the fourth is synchronization from week six, like semaphores, Peterson's hardware synchronization. And fifth is deadlock from week seven, bankers algorithms and dining philosophers. And sixth is security from week eight, buffer overflow, defenses, access control. So these are the main topics from your course Introduction to Operating System. So thank you friends for watching our introduction to operating system syllabus, and in next video we will provide you mock tests. So thank you friends for watching our video.